Today's property tour is another Compass listing here in Atwater Village 90039. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, our property tour is in Atwater Village. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is listed by Compass. The address is 4130 Garden Avenue, LA 90039. So if you're moving to LA and you're not sure what area to start looking in, you might want to consider Northeast Los Angeles. It's close to downtown LA. It's centrally located in between Glendale, San Gabriel Valley, downtown LA, and East Los Angeles. Today's listing is by Compass. It's actually one of our listing agents, and I wanted to share the video just so you can see what's out there in Northeast Los Angeles. I actually have a buyer. We're looking for 3 bedrooms, so this home would not be in their price range because 3 bedrooms square footage in this area, you're going to be looking at, I would say, $2 million and over. If you're not sure where this home is located, Compass platform has it all, so you can see what's nearby. You can actually get a mortgage guesstimate depending on what your down payment is and the purchase price. It also has property information, what's on the property. It also has the property history, which is really nice, public records, so anything recorded. It also has school information that is nearby the listed property, so that's both public and private school information, rating systems or scoring. Similar homes, so what you're looking at as far as comparisons, similar solds. So if you're also looking to sell your property, it gives you an idea of what your home is worth. Here we're starting our driving tour in El Sereno. This side of El Sereno, if you've lived here for a while, this side of El Sereno, the train used to come through here. So this bridge, it actually goes over the train tracks. Many years ago, you would have to wait for the train to pass, and I just remember the line of traffic. It would continue on to Eastern Avenue, which is right here on your left. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm also a real estate agent with Compass, Victoria.Munoz. Here's my phone number. Reach out to me if you're thinking about moving to Northeast LA or adjacent areas. And if you want to learn more about the areas that I serve and what I've actually sold in the past, you can check out either on my Compass website, or this is my YouTube website, Living in Northeast LA. It just gives you an idea of the homes that I've sold in the past. So we're starting our drive in El Sereno, Northeast LA. And as soon as we hop on the freeway, we'll see the exit is Los Feliz Boulevard. And then we'll start the property tour. So enjoy the drive. Ding dong. Hi.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm doing a video.
Oh, together?
Yeah. This is Jessica. We're from Pasadena Compass. So this is her listing.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but it's also still on spring.
That's Jessica Gardenias. She is the listing agent and it is a Compass listing. So let's get started with the tour. This home was built in 1939. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's 1,096 square feet of living space. The lot size is 4,587 square feet. There is a beautiful fireplace in the living room. It does have a studio and bonus room. It has a remodeled kitchen, vegetable garden, pergola with gas fire pit, and it does also state copper repipe. So let's take a tour of this beautiful home.
Videos. I'm still here.
Yeah. No, not really acrylic, however. It's not looking into your yard at all. I don't think you need to.
There's traffic. That's it. That's the end of the tour. I'm so glad I came. The listing agent is from the same office, and there are a lot of Compass listings here in Northeast LA.